across the street, which is known as Sweet Town. There are many areas in Anoka, in addition to Sweet Town, that had neighborhood names. So here's a map of the neighborhood names. We just left a business district, including Whiskey Flats, Slabtown, and Christian Hill. So Whiskey Flats, let's see, what was that one? A story, they say that it was a haven for rum runners during the Prohibition. Frogtown was where the French-speaking Canadians lived. And Slabtown was the name of many lumber slabs from Anoka lumber mills by the Rum River. So our first house this evening is this one right on the corner in Sweet Town. Here at 409 Van Buren, the ghost of a small child is commonly seen, both by previous owners and current owners, a couple with 4 children right now. The husband saw the figure of a little girl in the side bedroom on the main floor, which is the oldest portion of the house. They both also saw figures and movement at the corner of their eyes, reflections in the window. The wife saw a little face peeking around the corner of the door, lower down like a child's level. The father-in-law was visiting the family. He was looking out the living room window from inside and saw a little blonde girl walk by on the porch clear as day. He wasn't sure where he stood in believing in ghosts, but now he does after seeing one. The husband and dog were in the upstairs bedroom. No one else was home. All the TVs downstairs turned on at once at full blast. They have had these TVs for years, and this has never happened before. The figure of a man has been seen the most. He started showing up when the family was doing renovation in the kitchen. The husband would look up from his work and see a dark figure watching him, perhaps overseeing his work. Through research, we have discovered a possible explanation, as 2 children in the home did die of diphtheria during the epidemic of 1863. The family thinks the ghost may have been stirred up due to renovations they're doing throughout the home. So if you guys are taking pictures, let us know if you see anything interesting. Alright, we're going to head down Van Buren and